This guy discovered a hidden room in his basement, and what he found inside is mind-blowing. There is always risk in buying an old house. Sure, they can be charming, maybe even have some neat character in their bones. However, sometimes an old house comes with some baggage, and that's not always a good thing. When this man bought an old home, he decided to enter the dank basement that lurked beneath. Well, down there, he found a wooden board on the wall, and when he took it off, he couldn't believe his eyes. When he first moved into his house, this man noticed something weird on his basement wall. There was an odd piece of plywood placed on the wall near the stairs. He decided to inspect this piece of wood. The man noticed that there was a dark space between the concrete and the board. That's when he removed the piece of wood and made quite the discovery. There was a hidden space behind it. He found a safe and tons of unmarked boxes. However, there was much more to be found. The homeowner couldn't get the safe open no matter how hard he tried. He opened the boxes, and much to his surprise, they were all filled with guns. He couldn't imagine why someone would have so many weapons in their home. There was almost a sense of relief that he wasn't able to open the safe. While he'd been attempting to crack the safe, he took note of containers of ammunition. He couldn't believe it, but they actually still contained live ammo. There were many more boxes of bullets to be discovered. Why would anyone have so many guns and bullets? Even stranger, why the heck didn't they bring the weapons with them when they left? The man continued to explore the room the following day. It wasn't long before he made another discovery. More bullets, more strange weapons. He was also shocked to find some empty gun cases. Could these guns be somewhere else? Did the previous owner take them with him? This didn't seem like a real situation. He had to be dreaming. Who has this much ammunition? It's like the owner was supplying soldiers for war. Whoever the previous owner was, they weren't to be messed with. Every time the man opened another box, there were more bullets to be discovered. He even discovered this tiny sack. What was inside? More bullets, of course. He figured he could learn about this mysterious person through clues that could be found in the room. Still, he knew he could be in for a dark truth. There was nothing but uncertainty for what he could and would find. Then the man made a discovery that shook him to his core. What was it? A grenade. Make that a live grenade. He discovered that someone had drilled a hole in the bottom of the grenade and removed the gunpowder. He decided to open another box and make another shocking discovery. This time it was pennies. Lots and lots of pennies. With this new discovery in mind, he decided that giving the safe another go might be worth a shot. To no avail. The next day, the man took the safe to a locksmith and posted on Reddit stating that he would share the contents of the safe there, should they be able to open it. It's been several months now, but he hasn't given any updates since.